The next problem is about converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is the workout number 2 and this is what I want you to do. For a given input in Celsius as a float value, I want you to convert the temperature into Fahrenheit and I want you to print out its value. So for example, this could be my sample input. Suppose the temperature is 0 degrees Celsius, my answer should be 32 degrees. And we have a couple of constants. The least minimum value for a Celsius is minus 273.15. So you can be sure whenever you are testing, you don't have to give any value which is less than 273.15. Give it a try on your own. If not, we can do it together. So let's see how to do this one. So let me go down and let me collapse my sidebar. For reference, I have created a sample definition. If you want, you can use this definition or you can write your own logic. It all depends on you. The formula to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius is a very simple one. So let me first write the formula. So here I can say that my Fahrenheit value would be my formula, and the formula goes like this: Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus of 32, and we simply have to return our Fahrenheit value. On the next line, let us accept one input. So we can say input and we can say enter temperature in Celsius, and we also need to convert all of this into a float, because remember, input always gives a string and we want a float. So I'm using a cast to convert my string to a float. And last, we simply have to print out the output of our function. Our function is 2 Fahrenheit, and let us pass the temperature to it. That's it. So let us save and let us run our file. So it's asking me for my temperature. Suppose my temperature is 0 degrees in Celsius, and here we have the output. It's 32 degrees in Fahrenheit.